Hello, day 15, 30 days children talking in English. And today is very special because I am sitting at a coffee shop. You can see, yeah, at a coffee shop, and now is 5:30 in the morning, and I have to wake up. Yeah. The outside is cold. I have checked the temperature. I have checked the temperature. It's about 23 degrees Celsius. Yeah, cold, very cold. Then it's going to the cold and the rain season, as I had mentioned in the last videos. Okay, and the reason why I stay at this space because that you can see the alarm clock, the rings. You can see the reason why I chose this space because last night I played billiard with my friends, and we come back to home late, so the meter is closed, the door is closed. I cannot go in and solve, that's why. And I choose the coffee shop that the coffees for the student, for the workers. They are it's open 24 per 24 every day, every time. So it's a good place. I spend about 28 $28 for this drinks. Yeah, lemon, and you can stay at the night. And when I was a student at the university, I and my friends often go to there like this, and we can talk because in university we have many assignments to do, big assignment and presentations like this, and we have to stay together and discuss about the exercises. So yeah, this is a good place to choose. Okay. Yeah, I very miss my university, my friends. Okay, let's not as I say, we talk about the Buddhism, about the political in Vietnam, so I don't tell more in details. Yeah, but you know that we are like is under political in Vietnam. Many things you do, you are being controlled by many groups, many like this. Okay, I think I have to leave this coffee shop because in the morning I come back to the dormitories, and I have something to do. Let's stay here because I think this space stays for us for okay. But if you leave, you leave. If you go in, you have to buy one more drink. So I don't think I need to buy one more. I think the best way is go. Yes, and you see, I think the space is full around 6 people. It's like a whole, you can see the ceiling. Yeah. And you know what it is? See the paper they stick in the wall. Okay, it's like the wood, but no, it's just a sticker. They stick on the wood. Sorry. And you see, there's 3 chargers for us. Yeah, because we use the laptop. When it's out battery, we use it to refill the energies. And you can see that many them, they are students, they stay and play, and they go overnight. they choose this place like me, and some of them is they don't want to come back to the dormitory because sometimes when we get into the semester has in the end of the semester we have many tests, many things to do, and this is the time that every assignment they come at one time, so we need to solve everything in a short time, so that's why we don't want to come back the apartment, the dormitory, so we just want to stay here and do everything in 1, 2, 3 night. Yeah, everything just very fast.